Tony, you up on fingers?
Yep, I'm up.
Okay, cool. I'm coming up behind you.
Alright, I gotta do a run about this. I was gonna do it here, but I'll go ahead and we'll go down to the end and I'll do it.
Okay, wherever you want.
Spruce Creek, Baron is back taxiing Lima for 24 Spruce Creek.
Spruce Creek traffic bonanza, 520 is following the Baron. This actually works out better. I get a chance to tour the town in an airplane.
Yes, you do.
I didn't take my iPad out of full flight mode last night, so the battery is dead in the iPad this morning.
Mine's low too.
Oops.
Yeah.
Now I've only got 2.5 other GPSs to use to get to our destination.
I do have a charger with me.
Oh yeah, mine's charging right now. It's just it'll take a few minutes before she powers up.
You can come on right beside me.
Okay, thanks. Oh, there's a run-up area down at the end there?
Yes. Alright, I think I'm good to go. Just double check everything quick.
Yeah, I'm good here too.
Spruce Creek traffic, Baron 423 Charlie Lima is taking 24, be heading straight west. Any traffic independent, please.
Spruce Creek traffic bonanza 20 is departing behind the Baron. Spruce Creek traffic bonanza 520 is departing behind the Baron, Spruce Creek.
80, airspeed's alive, see? Rotate. Gear up. Blue line. It's on approach, Baron 423 Charlie Lima.
Say again.
It's Baron 423 Charlie Lima with a request off at Spruce Creek.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, say request.
I'd like a VFR flight flying to Sarasota. It's Sierra Romeo, Quebec at 4500.
After your BE-58.
Affirmative.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, maintain VFR outer below 3,500, Daytona altimeter 3008.
And Tony, I've got you in front of you. You're about a half mile ahead of me.
3008, 23 Charlie Lima, and maintain at or below 3,500, direct Sarasota.
Baron 3 Charlie Lima, squawk 0712.
0712, 23 Charlie Lima. Alright, they cleared me direct and up to 3,500.
Alright, are you going up to 6.5? Alright, I'll give them a call also and I'll just follow you in there.
423 Charlie Lima, radar contact, 4 miles southwest Spruce Creek Airport, say altitude.
Right now I'm at 1.3 up to 3.5, 23 Charlie Lima.
Charlie Lima, maintain VFR 4,500, traffic 11 o'clock, 2.5 miles converging, indicating 3,500. You can stay low or try to climb above him, your discretion.
Alright, I'm looking and I'll go ahead and try to climb ahead above.
November 3 Charlie Lima, roger, thank you.
Thank you.
And right now he's at your 11 o'clock and right now 1.5 miles converging, indicating 3,500. You can deviate left to right as necessary.
I'm still looking, I'll deviate right, 23 Charlie Lima.
Charlie Lima, roger, he's going that way, northwestbound. Just maintain VFR at 2,500 for now.
Alright, I'll stay at 2,500, 23 Charlie Lima.
November 3 Charlie Lima, the traffic is 11 o'clock, less than a mile, converging.
Still looking with no traffic, 23 Charlie Lima.
Okay, no worries, it's about to pass just behind you now. You can maintain VFR 4,500, traffic no factor.
Alright, up to 4,500, traffic no factor, 23 Charlie Lima.
Daytona approach Bonanza 17520.
November 3 Charlie Lima, contact Orlando approach 135.3, over.
35.3, 23 Charlie Lima, thanks for your help.
November 65324, Daytona approach.
Orlando, Baron 423 Charlie Lima is with you at 3.5 up to 4.5.
November 423 Charlie Lima, Orlando, altimeter 3008. What's your destination?
3008 at Sarasota, Sierra, Romeo, Quebec.
November 3 Charlie Lima, roger. November 3 Charlie Lima, what altitude are you going to be at, sir?
4.5, I'm at 4.4, almost leveling off.
Roger. November 3 Charlie Lima, turn left direct Sarasota.
Turn direct left, Sarasota, 23 Charlie Lima.
November 423 Charlie Lima, contact Orlando 119.4.
19.4, 23 Charlie Lima. Thanks a lot for your help. Good day.
Take care.
Morning approach, Baron 423 Charlie Lima is with you, 4.5.
November 423 Charlie Lima, Orlando approach, roger.
So I started in Concord, North Carolina, flew down to Spruce Creek. It was a great couple days.
423 Charlie Lima, you left Bravo airspace, contact Tampa approach on 119.9. Have a good day.
19.9, thanks for your help. Good day.
Thank you.
Good morning approach, Baron 423 Charlie Lima is 4.5 with you.
Alpha 779, you can contact Miami now on 132.35, 3235 today. Hello, information Zulu is current at Sarasota, clear to the Bravo, stay at 4500, expect runway 14.
4.5, expect 14 for 23 Charlie Lima.
Southwest 1501, just want to maintain 5,000.
40 miles out.
November 622, November Tampa approach, roger, Tampa altimeter 3009er.
In Tampa, Baron 23 Charlie Lima, just confirming, cleared into Bravo.
Affirmative, cleared into the Bravo. November 3 Charlie Lima, contact Tampa approach 119.65.
1965, 23 Charlie Lima.
Southwest 1106, turn.
Sir, to the northeast of Sarasota, just like to go there for a touch and go.
Number 265, squawk 0127.
0127, 265.
Tampa to Baron 423 Charlie Lima is with you. We have Alpha.
3 Charlie, contact approach 118.8.
118.8, 23 Charlie.
Who checked in with Alpha?
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, 4.5.
423 Charlie Lima, roger, expect runway 14.
14, 23 Charlie Lima. Tampa 23 Charlie Lima, like to start descent.
423 Charlie Lima, VFR descent down to 2,100 approved.
Down to 2,100, 23 Charlie Lima.
Legion 2416, contact tower 120.1, have a good day.
Over tower, good day now, Legion 416.
Number 265, turn 10 degrees right, vector sequence.
10 degrees right, 265.
Number 3 Charlie Lima, flying 270, vector sequence.
270, 23 Charlie Lima.
Number 22 November, descend to maintain 3000, contact Fort Myers approach 126.8.
3026.8, 22 November, have a good one.
Goodbye. Number 3 Charlie Lima, reduce speed 150 knots or less.
Reducing speed, 23 Charlie Lima.
Number 265, contact the tower on 120.1, check in with your heading, let them know you just want to do a touch and go.
Alright, over to tower 96265.
Number 3 Charlie Lima, turn left heading 230.
230, 23 Charlie Lima.
November 47, level at 75, can we proceed on course?
Number 847, I'm sorry, I thought you were on course already, but affirmative, proceed on course.
Proceed on course, November 847.
Turn 3 Charlie Lima, do you have Sarasota in sight?
I have Sarasota, 23 Charlie Lima.
3 Charlie Lima, roger, thank you. Just square base from the final, please. Contact P Tower 120.1, you can see inbound for 14.
Alright, proceed inbound 14 and contact tower 23 Charlie Lima.
I just started off with the sequence and just let them know you're going to do that. Have a good day.
Alright, thanks. 23 Charlie Lima.
So it's a 3 Sarah Papa, runway 4, clear, touch and go.
Runway 4, clear, touch and go, 3 Sarah Papa.
Sarasota Baron 423 Charlie Lima, is what to you?
423 Charlie Lima, Sarasota Tower, runway 14, continue.
1423 Charlie Lima.
Sure, Mike heading 180, contact Avid departure.
Thanks, sir. Good day.
Says the 40 now, you can circle to your discretion. Number 2, follow traffic on the mile base, runway 4, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 4 for 4090.
So 265, passengers are heading 180 to join the base, runway 4.
180-9265.
Alright, I got 3 green, half flaps, mixture props. Slowly coming down.
Number 265, you can fly direct to the numbers now. Your number 2, follow traffic, short fine on runway 4, clear to land.
Alright, direct to the numbers, clear to land, 9265.
And Sarasota Baron 23 Charlie Lima is a 5-mile final.
Number 3, Charlie Lima, roger, stay parking.
Dolphin?
Number 3, Charlie Lima, runway 14, clear to land, hold short, runway 4.
Alright, runway 14 clear to land, we'll hold short of runway 4, 23 Charlie Lima.
Number 3, Charlie Lima, use caution for personnel equipment. North of the numbers, runway 14.
Alright, we'll use caution 23 Charlie Lima. Alright, full props.
So it's a 3 Sarah Papa, number 2, follow traffic on the mile final, runway 4, clear, touch and go.
Runway 4, clear, touch and go. Follow traffic. 3 Sarah Papa.
Delta, contact ground 23 Charlie Lima.
Cherokee 1 Tango Sierra, over, stand by.
And ground, Baron 23 Charlie. Lima's with you and want to go to Dolphin.
Baron 23 Charlie, taxi Dolphin via Alpha, clear for the ground.
Taxi Alpha over to Dolphin with you, 23 Charlie Lima.